Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today, I'll be talking about custom horse armor some more. As in the last video, I talked about custom horse armor a little bit, but then I said something else would pop up that I could show, and I found something interesting. If you look at this horse's armor, you can see that it looks different than it should. That is because it's slime armor. At least that's what I'm saying. Technically, it's custom horse armor. It's horse armor with a custom name and a color and a tag. But I've found a resource pack called Fancy Saddles Main by Qsalog. Link in the description. I'm going to put a link in the description, of where you can get it. It is a tiny bit broken, but I will show you how you can fix it with a .json file. That I have got that I had made. As you can see here in GitHub, it's Qsalog, Fancy Saddles. A vanilla Minecraft shader that allows datapack developers to add custom horse armor using leather horse armor. That's what it says. So you're going to click on code and then click download zip, and then you're going to unzip it in your folders. Ignore all this. And you're going to open up the zip, and there's going to be another folder inside. That's why you want to open it up. So you can get this folder. And you'll drag that into your texture packs, and it won't work straight away because there's a file missing. I made that file, and I put it in here. It's a render type entity cutout no call.json. You copy this. I copy this. It'll just be in a link. And then you go into Assets, Minecraft, Shaders, Core, and you just paste it in. And then it'll just start working. The textures on this one here, I did myself. But on this one, they have the general ones. Like, as you can see here, it has a cross underneath the C, and I think that's like it. But if you get on blue, it's got a special smiley face. It's upside down. And it has some triangles. You can see them better like that. And for green, they have a bunch of circles. But that's not how I did it on mine. On mine, if you look at it, with my texture pack here, it just has the Minecraft Diamond Horse Armor texture that's been turned green. It's a very nice shade of green too. So that's how you're going to repair it. But if you want your own custom textures, you might be like, hey, how do I make my own custom one? Let me show you. You go into Minecraft, Textures, Entity, Horse, Armor, and then you edit this file with your good armor editing plugin, whatever you have. I use GIMP. It's rather good. And then you just will zoom in and you'll see all the textures. And you can see if I go to my Fancy Saddles main 1, its texture is different because I made this one myself. But the first one should always be this. If you want to make a new custom a new one, you might be like, how do I make a new one? There's only 3. All you have to do is make the canvas bigger. So it'll be a 256 plus 64. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna just 64, and you can see it's 320, and you'll expand it to 320, and you press resize. This is only for GIMP though. It might be a little bit different on whatever texture editing software you use. But as you can see, it has another spot open. So I'll just take my one from over here and put it in here. You've got to make sure everything is done correctly. And as you can see, I have a very good one here. Why is it on... What? Okay. All I have to do is put that to 1. And then you can see it's slightly different. So I can change it here. Oh, undo that. It's easier if you zoom in. And then I can overwrite the texture for Fancy Saddles main 1 and save. And as long as I have the HTML, I can always get that custom armor using this website here. I can change it and get the decimal code for it. And then I can go on here. Oh, undo that. And put in color your color. And then it'll look the same pretty much, but it's slightly different to the point where it'll look like that. Huh. And that's all you have to do, pretty much. I don't know why it's not rendering. I might have put it in the wrong texture pack. Let me see, resource packs. Which one is it? Fancy Saddles main or assets, Minecraft, textures, entity, horse, armor. Yeah, horse armor leather.png. Yeah, I think I just converted it wrong. There's a website that will convert it better, and that is MC Stacker. MC Stacker, you can do give leather H for leather horse armor, and it'll put in the code. I put in the code from last time, and if I put in the name slime armor and have it italic false, then I think that it might work. Huh. That's weird. I don't know why it's working. Let me just zoom in. Huh. I see what I did. I forgot to change the color. And then you'll overwrite the horse armor one. And then you reload. Oh, and then you reload your textures, which you can do with function F3 and T. I don't know why it's not changing. I thought that was it. Wait a second. Let me zoom out. Oh. I was on the wrong page as it is. Let's see. Oh, no wonder. Okay. You have to make sure they're both the same. I was on the wrong one this whole time trying to fix it. And now if I reload the texture, it will work. Yeah, see? And there you have it. You've got both your dark and your light green texture ones. I think I like the dark green one because the light one is just an example to help you get your own custom texture. So that is how you make custom horse armor textures based off of leather horse armor colors. And I think it'd be pretty cool if you guys send me some data packs that you guys make, or texture packs, based off of this concept.